Hi, Chris here from the Indicator guys. Just wanted to put together this short video on the EURJPY 30 minutes. If you was in the webinar last night, you would have seen us take this trade and analyse, the potentials of this trade. At the time, we took it because we had a couple of guys in the room that wanted to see how to take a trade. Plus, we were sitting on a support area, and it was a very small stop. So it was within my trading strategy to trade this exact trade that we took. Okay, so we entered the trade with this small stop, and before I actually left the office, I saw a range bound bar. Didn't really worry me too much. That's not in my exit strategy to worry about that. It's just the system warning us that this bar is range bound. This morning when I got in at 7:30, the price had already shot up quite drastically. We'd already gone through the first resistance area that I spoke about. We'd gone through the second one, and price was literally sitting on the third one. For me, that was time to get out of the trade. I had a nice bit of profit, and really price started to stick shortly after that. We got this candle here, which for me it was a bearish candle. Even though it showed a lot of indecision, it was still a bearish candle for me, and price did start to bang its head off. I already got out of the trade at this point, but this just goes to show you that really entering these very low risk trades and being aware of any points where the price can stick at is a really good way to trade. The system actually called it and said get out of the trade, but we managed to get out holding a little bit more profit. So getting out on these support and resistance areas, especially when you've got a nice bit of profit, is something I recommend. It really does. It gets you out the trades, keeps the profit in your bank, and it's something that I teach a lot here, and it's something that I trade myself all the time. I don't just get out when the system tells me to. If I'm happy with the profit, I could quite as easily just move my stops up. That would be fine, but at this point I really did see the trade kind of fizzling out, and I think it was the right move. So got some nice profit in the bag, and it really just goes to show, look to the left, make sure you know where the key support and resistance areas are of the market you're trading.